Yeah. So we have overall winners in the Tuesday quiz, the top 5 performers in the Tuesday quiz. So let's see who all are there. So we have Elena Kulkarni, clap, clap, clap. Rishita Kedia is here, I can see. Rishita has joined. Neil Prajapati, Neil, put on your camera so that I can see you. Rakshita is there and Ritvik Vishal. Congratulations. I cannot really hear anything because of the sound. Now somebody say something.
I said बाकी सबका वीडियो ऑफ कर लो, ये 5 लोग का वीडियो ऑन कर लो सिर्फ, so that they can come. You can take a picture.
Okay. Yeah. So the people who have who all are there in the list can put on the camera so that I can take their shot. Yeah.
You can also put off your camera so that the 5 people can come.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah, Lohit, can you take the screenshot?
But for me, okay, wait. वो सब एक साथ नहीं आ रहे ना. I need to then say that remove these non-video participants ऐसा.
So that I have to do as a host, I guess.
नहीं, वो खुद से भी हो जाता है वैसे तो शायद. नहीं आ रहा कोई ऐसा ऑप्शन. साइड बाय साइड स्पीकर नहीं चाहिए. नहीं आ रहा मेरे पास ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे सब एक साथ.
Wait, let me do that. I'll stop sharing. Okay.
Speaker gallery.
Where do I find that setting?
Just वो view पे जाना और वहाँ पे if you do right click, you might be able to see.
Okay. Speaker view, gallery view.
बीच में कहीं पे भी right click करो, देखो आ रहा है क्या? नहीं आ रहा. I don't know. Otherwise, make me the host. Let me see if I can.
Okay. Okay. Now you are the host.
Okay. भी कोई ऐसा ऑप्शन नहीं दिख रहा है. Hide.
Hide. Yeah. You have to click on a person and read all.
Got it. Person किसी भी person पे करो ना तो आ जाता है.
अच्छा, तो पहले on करना पड़ेगा.
Should I give you back? I'll make you the host. Make host. Change host. Done. Okay. View gallery. ठीक है. अभी अब people can put on their video. You can share also your screen.
Okay.
So congratulations, Neil. Congratulations, Rakshita. Who are the other people? Elena. Where is Elena? Rishita and Ritvik. Elena, Rishita and Ritvik. Are you guys there?
No, I don't think so. They're there.
उधर म्यूजिक लगाओ पीछे.
हाँ, I'll put on the music.
और वॉल्यूम कम कर दो.
Yes. Can you?
All right.
Okay. Now we are going to the next award segment. which is the top 3 performance in Podar. So basically Podar and Vibgyor are these two schools where we have maximum number of students. So then we thought, it makes sense to make another category, because then you were competing against your, peers also in your school. So here it goes, top 3 performance in Podar. We have Vasudha Tiwari, Riya Gupta and Raghav Tandon.
Brilliant.
Congratulations.
So, okay, so I'll say 1, 2, 3 and cheese, and at that time, please smile so that I can take a screenshot. All right, guys. All right, so Riya Gupta is not here. Is Riya around?
No, Riya is not here.
Acha, acha. All right, Riya is here.
Yes, sir, I'm here. I joined in.
Riya, hi.
Great.
Okay.
So
cool.
Riya, if you can put on your camera, then you'll come on the panel.
She's there.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, go. Smile. Awesome. Riya, you didn't smile. Again. 1, 2, 3, and go. Smile. Brilliant. Awesome. Good. Nice picture. All right. Congratulations, Vasudha, Riya, and Raghav, for being the top performers in Podar. Brilliant. Next.
Awesome. Okay. Now moving to the next segment, we have top 3 performers in Vibgyor. So here we have Puneet, Atharva and Mansi. Puneet, Atharva and Mansi have really done well in a lot of categories. Obviously, we saw their amazing performance even in the finale. So big round of applause for them.
Yay. All right. Congratulations, Mansi. Congratulations, Atharv, and congratulations, Puneet. Kya ho gaya?
Okay. Next is, this is a category that was the essence of the whole championship, was the diligence, right? So it was expected that everybody submits their homework on time, and they are. What happened?
Yeah.
Acha, you're not able to hear me.
No, are you able to hear me?
No.
So that's why. And now you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
ऐसे पिछले वालों को दो, उनका फोटो खींचना है ना, अभी हुआ नहीं उनका फोटो. Let them be. I was saying congratulations.
Acha, you were saying congratulations. No, I couldn't hear anything. Okay, I'll go back.
Volume कम कर लो ना अपना.
So the thing is, if I reduce the volume, I can't hear you, and then I can't hear the music also. Anyway, चलो अभी पीछे जाते हैं. हाँ, एक second. Let me just mute this. Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Awesome. One more. एकदम जोर से smile दो, अच्छी वाली. Brilliant smile. क्या पुनीत अच्छे से हंसो. Come on, Puneet. You can do it. Good. Awesome. Done. Acha, listen, Riddhima, in your mixer, in the sound mixer, you will have an option where you can mix the how you want it. You can reduce the sound of your tab. All right. Congratulations, Puneet. Congratulations, Atharv. Congratulations, Mansi.
Thank you, sir.
Very nicely done. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. Now this is the next category. Again, the sound is very high. Let me do something about it. Okay. So Extraordinary Diligence Award. Here we have on 5th place Raghav Tandon. So Raghav, please come onto the camera so that Lohit sir can take your picture with your individual name.
Congratulations, Raghav. Congratulations. Give me a very nice smile. Yeah, very nice.
Raghav, I just want to ask you, how did you manage, to submit your homework? That what was it? Just give like in 2-3 points. What did you do so that you were always at the top of the table when submitting?
So I really focused on actually doing completing the homework as the CBSE has told us to writing the answers every time. That how CBSE wants us to do. Second, I used to make a timetable. So if there were 3 subjects in the homework, I was going to do those 3 subjects in those 3 days, so that it's equally spaced out. I can do all questions equally.
Right. Great. All right, very good. The next is Elena. I don't think so. Elena is there in the party. I don't think so, right?
Congratulations, Alina.
Amey was there. I could see Amey. Amey, are you there? But I don't think so. He's on camera. His camera is not working.
Oh, been a year. Yeah, congratulations, Amey. Congratulations. If you're on voice, you can come in. Tell us how you prepared.
Okay, second place is Sarah. Yes, Sarah is there. Sarah, please come on stage. I will say this is a stage. Congratulations, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Give me a nice smile. Very nice. Okay, done.
So, yeah, congratulations. So, yes, Sarah, what was your process like? How did you? So, you're at a second place. So, that means that you were, one of the most diligent homework submitters in the entire grade 9th in TWA. So, how did you manage that?
So, when I got the homework, my first aim was if I could complete it in the first 2 days, because considering the fact that school ने भी बहुत सारा homework दिया था, if this homework I could complete it in the first 2 days, I would get the time to do my school homework as well, and timetable really helps. I am never a person to follow timetable, but this time I tried. Going through a timetable, and
that's a very nice point that you said. That's a very nice point that you said. Good to get this feedback. Okay, and the first place in the Extraordinary Diligence Award, Champ Homework Submitter, goes to Anirban Bhatta. Come on stage, Anirban.
Hi, Anirban. Give me a smile.
Hi, sir.
He's so cute.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Give me a smile.
Anirban, I want to see your teeth. Come on, show me give me a 2D smile.
Very nice. Awesome.
So yes, Anirban. So I saw your performance in Tuesday quiz also was good, and you were always regular with your submissions. In fact, even in test also, like whatever award that probably you're not getting today, you've just missed it by a hair. So what are your thoughts, and what did you like in this whole championship?
Yeah, ma'am, I like the new thing which was different from my school.
Okay. Did you like the team thing, or you prefer doing alone?
Yes, ma'am. I like the team. I like team.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Yes, now we are going to the next award category, which is the which are the individual top scorers in the finale. So obviously we had a rocking finale, right? And there were so many questions. The people from the audience were also answering. So there were finalists, and the people from the audience also answered so many questions and gained the points. So let's see who are the winners. Here we go. So at the third place, we have Mansi Rathi from Vibgyor batch. Mansi. Mansi, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm super happy. Like, I bagged the third place. I did not even expect to come third.
Yes. So, Mansi, so what were your thoughts when you were not selected for the finale, when we announced the finalists?
I felt that I just missed the chance or the opportunity to actually be there in the finale. But when I was answering the questions, I felt that I was also a part of the finale, and I too enjoyed it.
Great. Awesome. That's the spirit. So I'm happy that you did not give up and you came for the finale. You participated, you were in the audience, and yet you, managed to bag the third place. So congratulations to you, Mansi. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Second place, we have Atharva Moite. Atharva Moite, please come on stage. Congratulations, Atharva.
Thank you, ma'am.
So even in the finale, I could see there were two people who were like neck to neck with each other. One was Atharva, and obviously the next is our winner, who was at the first place. So Atharva, what was your what were your thoughts when you were playing the finale? Every question that was coming, what were your thoughts?
The finale was like very competitive. I didn't expect it to be so competitive. The questions were really nice, and I always thought that I could answer the questions which were given to others.
Right.
So like this was an opportunity where I could understand that where I lack in studying,
That's
which
awesome.
subjects I need to focus more on. So yeah,
Yeah, and you definitely need to focus more on your acting skills for nerd charades. Right? So you have to
that was
practice
something
acting.
very new for me.
So you have to practice acting in front of the mirror every day now. That's your homework, right? Okay. And the first place, obvious winner, everybody knows the answer, is Mr. Puneet Sachdev. Congratulations, Puneet.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Puneet, what do you want to say? I don't know what question to ask you because you are good in homework, you were good in submissions, you were good in the answers, you're good as a leader. I could see that you were motivating the people. So, what do you feel?
This it was like all because of the team because they encourage so much, and of course the teachers I thank because of the content and the quiz. Really, it made confident and competitive. Apart from that, the mistakes I got to now rectify them, and of course that nerd charades acting also improvement a lot.
Nice. Awesome. Okay. Now we have the overall top 5 champs in the entire championship, which went on for 3 weeks, phase 1, phase 2 homework, and you had to submit the homework, you had to write the test, you had to give the online exam, offline exam, everything. So we have on 5th place, we have Vasudha. Vasudha, please come on stage. So Vasudha has also bagged the top Podar rank, and she's also on the 5th place at the overall championship, like the entire championship. Out of 60 students that we have in grade 9, she's at the 5th place. So congratulations, Vasudha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you happy with this award?
Yes, ma'am. Very happy.
So what do you think? Do you think you could have done better to be at the first position?
Ma'am, I think I got less in the DT exam, the P-wise exam. So like they were like 5-7 marks less than I imagined. So I wish I could have done better in there. Otherwise, I think that other things went well.
So do you think now you have a plan and focus to improve aage, like when you're going to prepare for your exams, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It has definitely given you a direction, I believe, in
Yes,
in what direction you should prepare more. All right, congratulations, Vasudha. Do you want to sing a nice line for us, since you are an amazing singer?
Sure.
Yeah.
What would you like to listen?
Anything, whatever you want to sing a song for this particular experience. You want to sing a song for just generally, whatever.
Anything inspirational or anything that celebrates a lot of work that you've put in.
So there's this song Gazab Ka Hai Din. I'll sing that.
Of course.
I feel love when I look into your eyes. I believe if you move out from my side, I'll be losing grip on you. देखो करीब से मिले हैं नसीब से आएगा पल ये फिर कहाँ आज अचानक तुमसे मिले हम ये तो नहीं है बेवजह पूछो जरा इस दिल से हम हैं मिले मुश्किल से कल फिर न हो हम जो यहाँ गजब का है दिन सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन देखो जरा तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है कसम से
Amazing. Great. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Amazing, Vasudha. Seriously, I know that this is for everybody. So Vasudha had her music exams during these times, and she had to go. She had to prepare for those exams also. But she kept her spirit high and she prepared for the championship. And here she is in the top 5. So congratulations, Vasudha. All right. Next. 4th place is Naitri Shah from Vidgyor batch. Well done, Naitri. Please come on stage. Please come on video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Naitri. How are you feeling?
I was super happy when I saw my name in the top 5, and being to come on this position, I feel very honored. And I thank to everyone, like to whole of the team, to all of you who have supported me throughout the championship.
Wow,
So
that was such a Filmfare wala speech that you have given. Very nice. So Naitri, I saw, in fact, so I always used to see all the messages on the group. And, so I want to know, how did you manage to keep up the spirits of your group? Because I could see that you were pushing, the team members, you're motivating them. And I could see that you would appreciate them whenever they submitted the homework. So how did you get all those techniques? Like what motivated you to do that?
Ma'am, like I haven't like got that techniques, but yeah, I really like to appreciate people, because when I myself am being appreciated, I love that moment. So I really like to appreciate others, even they feel happy, and it's really a type of motivation for everyone to be appreciated. So
that's
yes,
so
I
true.
love
You have
that.
said the golden words, Naitri. Very good. Very well done. Seriously. God bless you, beta. Okay. All right.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Next, we have again Mansi Rathi is at the 3rd place. Mansi, congratulations. So yeah, I remember you had a rough start in the beginning. You remember your first message that you asked me that, ma'am, I don't know how people will do. Nobody's doing anything and everything. How will I push my people and, the team members? But, here you are bagging awards after awards. So you should be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, keep up the good work, Mansi.
Thank you, ma'am. Once again.
Okay. Now, these are the people who have given a lot of speeches. So I'm not going to ask you questions. If you have anything to share, you guys can tell me what, you want to say. You want to thank anybody, or you want to say a joke, or you want to share something, or you want to sing a song. Atharva, do you want to sing a song?
No, ma'am. I would just like to thank all of you, all the teachers and all my friends.
Okay. So a little off question. Atharva, what are your hobbies? What do you do apart from studying? What do you like?
Apart from studying, I like cycling.
Okay.
I like playing badminton.
Okay, so you are into sports. So which is like your favorite sport or something that you really...
Badminton.
Badminton. Very nice. Very nice. Cool. Okay, that's some trivia from Atharva. First position we have Puneet. Puneet, please come. Puneet को बार बार आना पड़ेगा. Puneet को काफी सारे awards मिले. Puneet, you tell me what are your hobbies apart from studying and being at the top of the charts? What do you like to do?
I like to play cricket.
You like to play cricket. Have you played in at any level in your school or in?
Yeah, for school there was a tournament in Baroda. I went there.
That's awesome. Great. So Puneet, if I have to ask you, is there any parallel that you can draw between how is your approach in a sports game like a cricket match, or how was your approach in the finale quiz?
Yeah, it's all the same. Like you just have to take your team members ahead from the audience also, and you have to coordinate with them like in nerd charades. And you, for any situation, you just have to be well prepared. You have to face anything.
That's awesome. Very, very, again, golden words that if to face anything, you have to prepare well. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to the next category, which are the finale. Obviously, the finale runner-up is Atharva, who was at the 2nd position. Atharva, congratulations. I know you just missed the finale top award, but not an issue because we all saw that you gave your best game, in the final quiz, right? So congratulations, Atharva. And the winner finale star is Puneet. So yeah, both of you can actually come on camera. It looks good to have both of you on camera. So congratulations, Puneet. Atharva, you want to say something to Puneet?
Puneet has been a very good friend of mine since a long time, very long time. He's like my brother to me. So yeah, he's very competitive, and as a friend also, he's a very good person. He's a very down to earth person. So yeah.
So, and Puneet, what do you want to say to Atharva?
Yeah, just like we have a long friendship, brotherhood actually, and for this we used to wish good luck. Think that it do not matter who wins, we still be friends, and we have to gain knowledge.
That's so awesome.
Yeah,
So
like
did you
did
you wish each other this thing, like when you were in separate teams?
Yes,
did you feel कि अरे यार Puneet दूसरे team में चला गया, मेरे team में
before any quiz we wished each other good luck.
Yeah, we would wish each other.
Nice. That's amazing. It's like what do you say, two captains of two teams, just shaking hands before the match. It feels like that. Good. Great. Now we have the overall championship team award. So we have 3 teams winning the championship award. The third place are the expert streamers. So all the expert streamers on the Zoom, please come online, put on your cameras. So expert streamers, we have Atharva Moite, Anirban Bhatta, Ritvik Vishal, Aditya Mundra, Snehal Kashyap, Divya Khandar, Shakti Bagal and Rishikesh Jha, who have bagged the third place. The overall championship. That means that right from submitting the homework, participating in the Tuesday quiz, giving the Saturday test, and then finale, all the points that you guys have gathered, bonus points and everything has finally come down to this, and you have bagged the third place. Congratulations. Atharva, you were the team leader, right? So you want to say something to your team?
Yes, the team members always kept on updating their work, like who all have submitted, who all have not, and those who have not, they used to give the reason also for the for not submitting. So that was a very good thing I found out in my team.
Okay, Anirban, do you want to say something to Atharva?
Yeah, he's very good.
How? Yeah, you both were partners in Nerd Charades also, so I saw your chemistry there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, good. Nice team. Very happy-go-lucky team. Chalo. Next, we have second place, Mitochondria, who had a very rough start in the beginning. I remember, like I mentioned earlier. Mansi, please come. Raghav, who else are there in your team? Call them also on the camera. Manvika was there, I guess.
Not in the meeting. Ma'am, she left.
Acha, they left. Okay. So, Mansi, Raghav, you tell what was the amazing moment in your team, when the leadership, the leader board was getting updated. What was the feeling when pehle tum bottom pe the sare and then slowly you started rising? How was the feeling?
Ma'am, it's always good to see your team rise. So, yeah, and one negative which I found was my team wasn't communicating enough. I thought my only teammate was Mansi because she was the only person who used to actually answer to my messages.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So you feel that your team members lacked a little bit of communication, but then slowly they picked up, right? So I think a large, obviously contribution goes to even your individual efforts that you put in. So I hope that, this team, obviously the championship is over, but you continue motivating each other. And I mean, Mansi is from Vibgyor, Raghav is from Podar, but now you have a nice camaraderie. Now you know how to, ask questions, get your doubts solved. So keep those groups alive, don't dissolve them. I'm not going to release them anyway. So, you guys can motivate each other throughout the whatever days are left in grade 9th. Okay. Congratulations to Mitochondrias. All right. Now comes the first place. Goes to Whirlwinds. Congratulations. Puneet, Sara, Ameya, Ryan Gandhi, Riya Gupta, Rakshita, and Naitri. Come on. Everybody come on to the camera. Come on to the stage. Sara दिख नहीं रही है मुझे. Sara के घर में अंधेरा हो गया.
That's it. 4 people. कोई आ रहा है? नहीं? Okay. Guys, give me a nice smile. 1, 2, 3, go. Done. Awesome.
Very nice. So, Riya, I haven't really asked you any questions. So, Riya, tell me, what was your experience of being a part of a whirlwind? Whirlwind group ही था तुम लोग का, बार-बार ऐसे पूरा खलबली चलती रहती थी group में. So, tell me, what is your experience? How was your experience?
It was quite nice because after I came to this institution, I didn't really have that much time to have a bond with others like I usually would have done. So in this, I learned quite a lot of things about others, and yeah, it was quite nice and fun to just go on WhatsApp and just see how the progress is going.
That is so awesome. So, and how was it like interacting with like all these are from like, you know, so they are from Vibgyor, you guys are from Podar. So did you get any sort of resistance while communicating, or it was all good?
It was all smooth, extremely smooth.
It was smooth. So no fighting, no jealousy. Were there any fights? कि अरे ये लोग करते नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. हाँ, Puneet, was there anything? Puneet is smiling.
No.
I can't hear you, Puneet. हाँ बताओ.
Miss, there were no fights at all. All of them were really, they like just did it smoothly. Yeah.
Yeah, Sarah. Sarah, you want to say something?
मतलब even if there was someone जिसने homework submit late किया ना, there was nobody who was shouting. किसी ने किसी को कुछ नहीं बोला. Everything went smoothly. सब लोग एक दूसरे को support कर रहे थे. And personally for me, I am not a person who believes people easily. और इसमें it was so मतलब इतना easily हो गया. I started trusting everyone. I mean before this I never knew who Puneet was, who Netri was. Only person I knew was Riya because she's from Podar, and now I know Puneet and Netri, Rakshita, Ryan, everyone.
That's awesome. Amazing. Yeah, I could see, you know, so you guys used to motivate each other, and, you know, like I told Netri also that you used to congratulate each other. In the beginning, I remember Rakshita had some issues in submitting, but then later on she picked up, and, you know, so that's how this entire group, I guess, progressed, and now you're at the first place. So congratulations to Whirlwinds. You did a great job. Obviously, it was a team effort, so you can clap for yourselves. And I hope all of you are on WhatsApp. You're getting your certificates as and when I'm announcing the names.
You didn't ask Riya Gupta. Did you ask Riya?
Yeah. She gave a big this thing.
Nice.
Riya, you want to say again something for Lohit sir? He didn't hear. No. Okay. All right, so this was this is the last segment of the awards that you know, we announced. I hope you know, we meet soon and we party in real, and we celebrate in real, which is going to be very soon. So yeah, I mean majority of you have already joined us for grade 10th, and I hope those who are still sitting on the fence also don't miss out, because next year also such awesome things are going to be lined up. And you know, we make sure that you know, people are throughout motivated, especially in the board year. We will not you know, create that stress, but a good amount of stress which is needed for scoring 95%, 90% in board exams, right? Because that's the ultimate aim, Hannah. So I hope you guys are now ready for your final exams in your schools. Yes, all of you. Anybody wants to share any thoughts? Lohit sir, you want to say something to the kids?
No, nothing. They've all performed very well. Now it's time to actually go ahead and prepare much harder for your exams which are actually going to come. So abhi tak jo humne kiya tha, that's preparation, but then you have to give that final touch to that preparation. Go ahead and solve a lot of questions, and then come back very fresh in grade 10th, and then let's do even better in grade 10th.
Okay, all right. I'll put on my camera now. Okay, chalo. So bye. I hope you you know, you got some little break from your very, very tight schedules. I know everybody's exams are up. Yeah. So fine. Enjoy your weekends, and we are going to meet. Obviously, we have exams and all. Abhi hog nahi gaya hai, baki hai 9th standard. Khatam nahi hua hai, right? So we are here, and if you have any doubts, also one more thing I wanted to mention. is that all the homework questions that we have given are specially being chosen because they are important questions. Okay, so that was not, obviously it was a part of the championship and everything, but also now when you're preparing and all the homework questions that you are not able to do in the quiz or in the test, now those are the questions that you need to focus on because those are your weak areas, right? So that was the ultimate motive of this. Okay. All right. Bye-bye, guys.
Have fun, guys. Congratulations again. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.